Okay, so me and my cousins got done doing this little burping thing up at the table just a minute ago. We were eating dinner. And then I came down here and I was looking up burping videos. And there was another girl on here burping and it was gross, but at the same time funny, so I wanted to do it too. And my cousin over here, he's gonna burp. I know he will, but he doesn't want to be in the video, so it's just gonna be me. So here goes. Wow, that was better than the last one I did. Let's blink.
No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was. That one wasn't.
That's pretty good too. Okay. Then it looked retarded doing it, so. Oh dear. Oh, you can do better than that. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Wait a second.
That sounded gross. Okay. Let's all get in this. Ew! His burp stinks, just so everybody knows. I can't do it.
You fatty. You fatty. You
Yeah.
fatty.
I feel weird doing this now.
I think I can walk out.
Okay, I'm done now.